Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a DELONGHI Magnifica Start coffee machine espresso maker and you want to do a hard reset and restore all of the default values on it. Now, the main reason you're going to want to do this is, well, there's two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If it seems like it's not making the drinks the way it's supposed to, you can fix a lot of those issues just by doing this hard reset. The second reason is if you've got a whole bunch of configurations and settings you've put in, you don't want to undo them manually. You just want to get a fresh start by getting everything back to the settings as they came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that. It's real easy to do. So all we need to do is we're going to find 3 buttons on here, and yours might look a little bit different, but basically there are going to be 5 buttons up here indicating different drinks. It might just be numbered drinks and without words showing coffee cups. It might just be coffee cups, whatever. It doesn't matter, but we have these 5 drinks here, okay? And then we have this ×2 button. So all we need to do is with the unit is in standby, so which means it's off, but it's connected to the power supply. We're going to press the first drink button, the second drink button, and this ×2 button all simultaneously for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, the machine will emit a long beep and all the lights will flash, and that confirms that it's reset, and then you can go ahead and turn it on and set it up as a new coffee machine.